So, hello everyone, welcome to the another new video about Argo workflow. So today we'll discuss about scripts and results. So what is scripts and results? Is basically you want to execute a script as as part of your Argo workflow, and this script could be Python script, Bash script, JavaScript, etc. Uh, and you want to use the output of that script as input to another step. So that in reality is what we'll be discussing today. We'll go over this example and then we'll run it and we'll see the output. We'll run this example and we'll see the output. So basically, it has two steps. One is generate and second is print message. And it's generating it's generating some random number using Bash script. And if you see, it has generate random number using Bash or generate random number using Python or JavaScript. So in this example, it is using Bash. But I'll be using Python. This generate random using Python. So what it does is it generates the number and it prints the number. Now let's focus on one of these. So using Bash, this is how it generates the random number, and using Python, that's how it generates the random number. Now what happens is in the print step, it invokes a print message template and it passes this parameter. Parameter name is message, and the value of this message is, and this is a key here. Before that, let's see the print message template. So print message template is here. All it does is it takes message as a parameter, and then it prints the result was this. So input.parameters.message, correct? Because this is a message it had gotten. So it just prints the value of this message or content of this message, which is input to this. And the way this is being passed, is messaging passage, it is steps.generate.outputs.result. Now, what is this steps.generate? So generate is a step. So this is steps.generate, we understand. But what is this output.result? So I downloaded the Argo code, Argo workflow code. And in this Argo workflow code, under workflow concepts, there is a script section. In this script section, it has mentioned what is script? It is a convenience wrapper around a container. The spec is the same as a container, but it adds a source field which allows you to define a script in place. In place means inside the Argo workflow. The script will be saved into a file internally. It will be saved into a file and executed for us. The result of the script is automatically exported into Argo variable, and those will be task dot name of the task, output dot result, or steps, because we are using steps. Steps dot name of the step, then output dot results. So that's what is getting used here. So the output of this script will be saved into this variable, and this variable is being passed as a message to the next step. And the next step, all it does is it just prints that, correct? So what we'll do is one more thing. If you have done only the default setup and you have not fixed the permissions and not created some service account, etc., then while running this workflow, you will get into this error. So this is some error you will get. Just for testing, I have solved this error by running this command. But this is, as I said, it's only for testing. In production, don't use this command to solve this problem, to solve this permission issue, because here I'm using some admin permissions, correct? So I'm using admin permissions, which is fine in your dev environment for testing, etc. But it is not fine in production. In production, have the proper accounts created, proper permission setup, and those permissions given to those accounts. I think we have discussed this in one of our previous video. So let's go back to the execution. So this is the script, which is same as what I had shown you on the web page, or which was Argo documentation. Only change I have made is I have changed the name to script, generate name to script-python, entry Python script example, name is Python script example. The key changes here, instead of using Bash script, I'm using Python script. Rest everything else remains same. Right? It just prints gets the random number using this random library. And then you can see the script and you can see the source, that this is the source which has the Python script. And it uses this image, etc., correct? And same thing, next step is the print, which is a print message template, which is defined below. and passes this output of the script as a message parameter. And I'm just repeating that again. So this parameter is a message in the print message template, and it just it take this message, and using this image alpine latest, it uses this command and it echoes the result. It just in reality it just prints the result. The echo means sort of print in bash or like on a Linux operating system. And then it says result was and whatever is being passed to it. Correct. So now what we'll do is we'll just run it this. And this is how I'm running Argo submit, and this is the namespace Argo. I'll remove the watch here. We'll see on the UI itself. Just run and you go to the UI of workflows here. These are workflows which is being run. I had run it earlier also. So you will see script is running, and see page is running, containers, input outputs, generate is done. So now this generate, let's see this generated. So this is a summary, like whatever, correct? Started and did on duration, whatever. Containers, this is the source it used, correct? And this is the input and output. This is important. The output is result 37. It generated some random number 37. This is the generate one. Now in the print one, you see the inputs and output. The input is being passed as 37, correct? So this is how you see the input and output from each step. Now, where is the echo coming? Click on the logs and you will see result was 37, because that is what we were printing. That's what is being printed here. Echo result was this, and that is what you see. Result was this. Wherever result was 37. Okay, that is about scripts and results. Thank you for watching.